In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make this sculpted structured sleeve. Come with me. First, I'm cutting out the paper that I want to use. This paper is 10 inches long. That is, the length is 10 inches and it is 12 inches wide on fold. That means that it is 24 inches wide normally. So 10 inches long and 12 inches wide. So from this square edge here, I'm going to come in by 1.5 inches. Just come in a little bit by 1.5, or you can use 1.25, but here I used 1.5, and I'm going to make a curve with my curved ruler. Can you guys see it? Next thing I'm going to do is to open it up and measure around the edges. You want to be sure that you don't leave anywhere left, so you measure it. Now with what I've measured, I'm going to cut out the straight edge. The straight edge is going to be the length of whatever you measure at your round square edge and 5 inches wide. So that's what I'm doing here. After doing that, you replicate the pattern on your fabric and on your lining, and please make sure you cut paper stay so that it's going to make it stand. So what I'm going to do next is that I'm going to iron this paper stay to my fabric to make it stand. I'm going to do that before adding the lining. So this is what I have. Now I'm going to use my lining to turn it. We are turning the lower part of this round part alone, just the lower part. So that's what I'm going to do right now. I'm just going to join the lining. So the lining is going to be right side facing the right side of the fabric. And then I'm going to go ahead and do this for the straight parts. Also, iron paper stay, you know the drill, and then use the line to turn it. But for this straight part, we are starting from this edge. Just one edge will be left open. So we are starting from this edge and we're going to sew all the way round. That I'm going to find the midpoint of both, notch it, and then put it on each other like this. This is because we don't want one side to be longer than the other. So I'm going to do that, pin it down. I'm going to sew it together. After doing all of that, let's look at this is what my own looks like. And if you follow this process thoroughly, this is what you should have. Look at it. Just look at this beauty, even without ironing in yet. So you're going to go ahead and attach this to your dress by tacking it with your needle and thread to the shoulder of the dress, and voila, you have your sleeve already. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, drop a comment if you have any questions, subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in my next video.